Shit, man, y'all already know, man. Appreciate it tuning in. You know, I wrote a little something. Freestyle the hood. Let me know what you guys think, man. Yeah. Just got paid, I'ma flip that. She wanna ride with me, baby, sit back. Just got paid, I'ma flip that. Smoke good weed, baby, kick back. Just got paid, I'ma flip that. I can give you light if it's pitch black. Just got paid, I'ma flip that. Never met a nigga who can do that. Girl, I'm certified, I don't gotta lie. Welcome to my riverside, only rest of well qualified. It's just me and you, side to side, let me clarify. If you in it for the money, then you better hide. Find a Texas girl, I'm the guy, watch me glide. Open wide, if you open wide, you can join the side. I will know inside, forever, ever. Girl, this life forever, ever. I got everything, I just need my soulmate. But I ain't rushing, cause I know she on the way. But I can find her if I illustrate. Girl, I'm past these other rappers, girl, they out of date. I don't imitate, I let my soul indicate as I navigate through heaven gate. Just got paid, I'ma flip that. Just got paid, I'ma flip that. Baby, just ride with me, sit back. Smoke good weed, baby, kick back. Freestyle the rest, girl, I'm on my own ways. Own lane, I don't need to join your own lane. Come and join my own lane, cause I see bigger visions than you ever seen. You will never know who is me if you don't really want me to know who is you. So keep it true and you won't lose. Girl, I'm the truest one, shoot troops. I'ma die till I rise, so rise. My purpose is bigger than anybody, no lie. Keep it real, keep it G. Know the code since a little Joe. And you know my niggas put me on since a little whoa. Never had a father figure. I did, but he ain't never shown me shit. But I don't blame him. Shit crazy out here, he gotta work hard. Right now I'm working harder than ever. I ain't sleeping cause I'm harder. Whew, fucked up, you know what I'm saying? Fuck around, man. Appreciate the tuning. Yeah, mixtape below, man. Fuck with it, man. If you fuck with my music, man, God bless you, man. You know my purpose big. Put y'all on and wake y'all up, man. I talk about you. You sleep right now. Half of you sleep. Y'all don't know what the fuck going on. I'm just being real, man. Y'all don't know what's going on. Y'all just living a simulated life. You need to cut that shit. Grab the wheel. Make your life, man. Don't wait for nobody. Ain't nobody gonna give you shit. I'm telling you. Work hard for that shit. Find your purpose. Find your life, man. Keep striving for that shit. Keep chasing your dreams. Life is nothing but dreams, baby. If you have no dreams, you ain't gonna go nowhere, baby. Think smart. Observe. Open your third eye, man. Shit real out here, man. It's a cold world. It ain't funny games, man. Real shit, man. Spitting knowledge, what I spit on my music, you feel me? This is a little freestyle, my first video ain't nothing. But shit, spit some knowledge to y'all, man. I got more shit coming soon. This shit powerful than any rapper. Cause I know myself, I ain't trying to be nobody. You feel me? I follow the Lord's steps. I'm on a mission. Appreciate if you, you know what I'm saying, follow me through my mission. Capo shit, suit troops, I'm out. Yay. Shout out my nigga Jube, Zell on the beat, man. Coming soon.